How do HOA rules and regulations affect inspections and the potential issues?
Well, typically, it's going to dictate what we inspect, right? So it's always good to know what the CC&Rs state. What is the responsibility of the homeowner and what is the responsibility of the HOA? Because then you might not want us to inspect something. Let's say, example, a deck. Is the homeowner responsible for the deck or is the HOA responsible? Well, if the HOA is in charge of the deck and it's their job to maintain that or fix it, then you probably don't want to have the inspector take a look at it.
Right.
And then put it on the report because it's not really your responsibility as a homeowner. But then the interior components, everything inside the unit is going to be something that you're responsible for in the majority of cases. Doors also, windows typically are. So have the inspector look at those and make sure those are in the report because that would be an expense for you if there was something wrong or something you may have to negotiate on, correct or fix for safety issues or whatnot. So always refer to your CC&Rs.
Check the full episode on our YouTube channel and on Apple Podcast.